Hello and welcome to an unboxing video of E.T. the 40th anniversary limited edition 4K. Now, because of the delays in the post, I only got this on Friday, but at least I have it now. This is from Zavvi, and it says strictly limited to 1,000 copies. Now, the larger version of this, which has the lunchbox and the flask, is limited to 1,500 copies, which is odd. I got this for around £40. I have already seen scalpers on eBay flogging it for £54.99. Those delightful people. And it's actually, at the time I'm recording this, still not sold out. So if you live in the UK, or if you don't live in the UK and you know someone that does, hop along to Zavvi and look this up, and you can get yourself the cheapest copy. Don't go to eBay. Not for now, anyway. On the back, you can see all the lovely things you get, but we'll have a look at those in a minute. Okay, I've got the cellophane off, and time to look at my lovely steelbook. I always love a steelbook. And inside, I think it's got some artwork inside as well. There we go, look at that. The spaceship. There's your 4K. And let me see if that's quite deep in there. Oh my god, they've actually put it under a lip of plastic, which is going to make things quite awkward. Let's see this. Okay, you can press that bit's bouncy. Thank god. Okay, let's ease this out. This is the Blu-ray. I assume this has got some extras on it. Oh, it's just a continuation of that scene. There we go. But I like it. So that slips underneath the plastic lip there. I'm not quite sure what the benefit of that is. I've not seen that ever before in a case. But there we go. Oh, you can see the nice pictures on the disc as well. I like that one. Another classic. Well, it's the same as the cover. Does that pop back? Doesn't click into place, but it's securely in there. That's strange. Never seen a plastic lip before, and I don't really see the point of that, because it's not going anywhere if it didn't have that there. Anyway, that is the main disc. Next, let's see what else is left in the box. A nice little container there for everything, I think. Okay, it's in a nice little envelope kind of thing, or a wallet. And in here we have a bookmark. I like it. I don't know what it is exactly, but I like it. 3 classic little scenes there. The reason I bought this as well, the reason I thought this was a good purchase was because I've never even owned E.T. on DVD or VHS, let alone a 4K collector's edition. So this is my first time ever owning it on physical media. There's a stage pass. Did E.T. have a stage pass? I don't know, but that is one. I thought that would be plastic, so it's quite disappointing. This is only cardboard. And the last little bits in here. Script excerpts. Excerpt. Everyone says, I say excerpts. There we go. Yes, when you say excerpts, they're very little, tiny little excerpts. Of about 4 words, except for those ones. Okay. That's a minuscule amount of reading there for you. Behind the scenes. I don't know what this is about. I guess. Are they going to say never before seen photos? I like the scuffed up effect there on the edge of the pages. I thought this was going to be a proper book. It's more like a little pamphlet. There's E.T. on a bike, just like you're on the bike in the E.T. ride at Universal Studios, which I have been on. I like that. Okay, next is these postcards, I would think. Let me undo the band. I hate to ruin it, but I'll keep them separately like this, I think. What? Oh no. I thought they were all the same, but that's the back. Okay, that's the back of them. These are nice and glossy, actually. And here are the prints, I guess you could call them. There's a nice one. Isn't that just that in close-up? With different lighting. Yes, I would think it is. And there we go. Very nice classic scene there. And I think finally this is the classic poster. I don't have a shot wide enough to show you this, but I think you'll get the idea if I just open it out partly. There we go. It's the iconic E.T. poster. That's really nice, actually. Nice reproduction. Right down to the bottom there. You see the earth. It's quite a big poster, actually. I may put that up one day, but if I was going to, I would only ever do that in a proper frame. So, that is it. Where's the book? Where's the book? I was expecting a proper little book. That's more like a pamphlet. Okay, there's a slight disappointment with that. But at least I have it now. The 40th anniversary. My first time, as I say, owning this on physical media. Don't know quite how many times I've seen it on TV. Quite a few. But there we go. If you would like to get that, don't look on eBay. Look on Zavvi first. That's where it's reasonably priced, I think, for 40. Although, a bit disappointed because I thought that was going to be a proper book. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. That was my E.T. 40th anniversary unboxing, and I will see you next time.